Now, there's another thing I was going to say, another tip that I was going to give you that I'm working on this one right now, and that's I went back through and again analytics. So they don't show you anything on analytics, but I'm not going to share my screen, but I'm going to pull it up on the side so I can see it, so I can reference it right. So they give you the upload date, then they give you the status, whether it's in review, rejected, or published, right? Then they give you the amount of views, then they give you the average view duration, the average percentage viewed, right? And then if you have any software, it'll give you the placements and the amount sold. If I use IPX, anyhow, you can go up to the top to the search bar, and it's a drop down menu. You can click views, and it'll search from your highest to your lowest views, right? So if I click that, it's going to search up. It's going to show me, and it's the last 30 days. So in the last 30 days, it's showing you this analytics. So it's telling me I got 3,000 on this one, 3,000 on that one, 2,000 on that one. So now it's telling me how many views I've gotten on these products. Excuse me. So I've gotten a bunch of views on it. Now anything that's gotten like 300 views or more, okay, that's getting views, right? That's getting views. So are they getting sales? Are they getting sales? So if they're not getting sales, if they are getting sales, great, that's awesome, right? But if they're not getting sales, you're already ranking. You've already proved that you can rank with that product. You've already proven that the video. So why aren't you converting with that video? So now you go to, what is the average watch time? What is the percentage viewed on that video? So what is the percentage viewed on that video? You go to the video. If it's 30% viewed, you watch the video. And at 30% viewed, what are you doing? What are you doing there, right? They're getting views, right? You go back in, they're winning products. They're products you've ranked for, you know what's going on, right? And so these are products that you have already. And all you have to do is dust them off and bring them out of retirement and do some videos on them. Now, so you go and do research on the other videos in the carousel, like I started saying before. So you've already done research. You fall off at 30%. What do? Do you talk about your dog at 30%? Do you make some kind of noise or cough or do something? You did something at 30 seconds at 30% that people fell off and didn't buy. So this is a perfect example of the method. Okay, so this is a bunch of stuff that I've uploaded recently and got no views yet, right? So we come all down to, where is it? So this one here, the sound amplifier, was published on the 26th. Today is, it's about a week and a couple of days. It's got 24 views already. I checked my analytics. It's got one sale already. So average view duration is 1 minute 36 seconds, 55% viewed. Okay, it's ranking on both carousels. So this thing, and it only gets, where is it? Gets it's not showing me here, but it gets I think 50 sales a month. It was only 50 sales a month, so that's not bad that I already got a sale. But let's click on this for a second. So it was a minute 36. So you're going back into your video. So why come down over here? Let's go to around here. Let's play through. So that's 120. So what happens at 130? That noise at 130, 136. Let's play that again. Was that 136? 135. Yep. See that? So that's where they all fell off right when I made that noise. So you go back into do the video again and don't make the noise. Okay, pretty simple. And in this video, I would say that by 1 minute and a half, I've already give them all the information. I could probably cut a lot of this out. It actually runs a little long now that I look at it. But yeah, pretty cool. So that's the perfect example of the method. So you identify that. We're going to change that, number one. Then we're going to go to the videos that are ranking in the carousel, find out what they're doing and how they're doing it, because if they're ranking, they're making sales, and we're going to try and copy that and figure out what's going on, right? Remember, success leaves clues, right? We got to do what they do to get their results. So you've searched by, this is great stuff, by the way, right? You've got these products already. Okay, so see, most people, and everybody's telling you to do the same thing. Everybody's telling you to go ahead and research products, buy products, spend money, spend money, spend money, reinvest. Now, I'm hesitant to reinvest money into a program that they're going to take the carousel away anytime they want, right? So they're going to take that carousel away for a week out of the month. It's gone. It's going to cut into my commissions and cut into my income. And so I'm not going to turn around and spend 20% of my profits, 50% of my profits, whatever you decide, on buying products when Amazon can turn around and decide and change the program tomorrow, and I have all this invested. Okay, so the smarter thing to do is to dust off your stuff that you already working for you. Figure out what are you good at, right? You know, it's time. We've been in the program. The program's been around long enough. It's time to start looking at our content and again, percentage viewed. Where's our stuff working? Where is it not working? Where am I getting long? Where am I getting sales from? What products are getting sales from? And find out where the view duration is. And you watch and you study your videos. Find out what you're doing right. Find out what's converting for you, and use that style. You might find out that the unboxing videos that you do every once in a while are terrible and don't convert. You might find that out. I don't know that to be true, but they may be the ones that convert the most for you. It's different for everybody, so you got to search it, you got to research it. But maybe it's the one where you show the features in actual fact, where you're not even in it. You're just showing it with your hands from the face down, the camera down, and you're showing it in use, right? Or you're showing it practically, right? Maybe those are the ones that work for you. You know, maybe because maybe you're a good-looking person, right? And having your face on the camera is actually helping you. That you need to make sure you're in the frame when you're showing stuff, right? Maybe. I don't know. Everybody's different. You got to do the research and figure it out. You know, if you have a catchphrase, is it working for you or is it not working for you? You know, is there something you say in every video, you know, that you think is cute or funny, right? Or is the hook, you know, and it's just annoying people, right? You know, you look in your analytics, and it's going to tell you that. And for years, people have been saying, the analytics stinks, but there's information there to be had. You just have to know what you're looking for, right? So now that you can know this, you go back through your whole library of videos and redo them all, basically, okay, and make them all better. Make them all better. So now we're going to take the work that we have already. We're going to increase our income probably 30-fold, right? 30%, just by going back in through and regenerating and boosting all this old content, okay? And not having to buy another thing, and not having to get another free. And that is at youdidn'tknow.live. You go to youdidn'tknow.live. There is a link down in the bottom for youdidn'tknow.live. Sign up for the newsletter, and I'll send out a link where the meeting is. Now, the meeting is in Creators On. Creators On is the Amazon Creators Guild that I created. It's like the Union Hall. We're going to hang out there. We're going to talk shop, okay? No fee. I'm not trying to charge a membership. I'm not trying to make any money. What my goal is, I want a place where people can come and share their information. I'm going to tell you what I know. You can tell me what you know, and we can all learn together. And all these little tips that we learn every Sunday, I learn something different, and it's incredible information is going through and finding out what videos you have already, right? Find out which ones have views but no sales. Research why you're not converting. You know, start looking at your videos. Okay, start looking at your videos. Why aren't they converting? Why are you getting views but you're not getting sales? There's a reason why. Okay, so and you go look at your competitors' videos and find out what they're doing right and what you're not doing. Right? It's the information is there. Again, if I hear one more person say the analytics stinks, they're not the greatest. I'm not going to say they're the greatest. They're not the greatest. But there's information there, and you got to learn how to use it. You got to take the information they give you and use it to your advantage, right? That's, you know, so we were talking about all the other gurus are telling you to go ahead and spend money on products. And I'm saying, don't invest money in something that they can take away your ability to earn it back. Instead, look through your winning products, look through your winners, look through the videos that get views, look through videos that are getting views and not sales. Redo those videos, okay? And you can look at, you go up to the top on your video page, right? You go to your video page, and you go to the top of it where it says, you know, the video, the title, upload date, status, you know, views, percentage watch, average view time, view duration. So you go to your views and you click that one. It'll put them in order. I don't know if you knew that you could do that. So you click that button at the top. It'll organize them in the highest views down to the lowest views in the last 30 days, right? So now you're looking at all your videos top to bottom and with a lot of views. Hopefully you got a lot of views. Now go through those videos and find out which ones you're not getting sales from, or are you getting sales from those videos? You're getting a lot of views on those videos. Why aren't you getting sales? So now we have to go back in there and we have to figure out what's going on. So we go to the average percentage viewed for that video. You go to the average percentage viewed for that video and you find out, you go watch it and you go, holy crap, I farted at 30%. And everybody turned off, right? Well, you did something to turn people off, right? So find out what you did, do another video. You know that video is getting views. You know you rank for that video. You know you are good at that product, right? You can rank. Redo the video so that you can convert, right? Boom.